See Bryn, pint to the best, lag your tops.
Ideal. Cheers.
Cheers. Cadeiriau.
Yes, gen ti'n rhif ffôn ar fyddys lipo section yna, nagos?
Linda Lipo?
Shht, ie.
Dim.
Hey, Mac?
Come boys. Dim tree.
Ie, be wedyn?
Tree.
Dim, tri.
Naci dim tree.
Dim tri neu dim tri?
Dim. Oh, 0 tree.
Dim tri o gwbl, lle?
Naci dim tree.
Dim tri.
Ia, dim. Oh, 0 tree. Wedyn tree.
Dim, 0, o, tri.
O naci glyn bach dim tree as in 0 3. Wedyn 2 tree.
Dim tri, dau tri.
Dim 2 tree.
Dim dau tri.
Oh, Glyn! Dim tree, bloody tree!
Dim tri, reit, dim tri.
Ti di cael cnoc yn dy ben yn yr ardd na heddiw, ta be, he? It's very, very simple, Glyn bach. Dim tree, bloody tree.
Oh, reit, got it. So ddim dim tri, ond dim tri.
Dim tree, bloody tree. Oh, ti chwalu mhen i yw, Glyn bach? Dim tree.
What's all this about trees?
What? Oh, don't you start, Bob Bach.
You chopping trees today, Glenn?
I'll chop you in a minute, Bob.
Don't forget, shots half price today, ladies.
Shots.
I thought you wanted something a bit more exotic.
Exotic prices, probably, Bob.
You wombat.
Right, so, dim tri. O, ti di confusio fi lan, wan.
Oh, we ain't check your phone.
O, pas ti di deud?
Hey, call himself a gardener. Can't see the wood from the trees, this one. No? Never mind.
Ti?
Eh? Oh, ready? Linda Lipo.
Yeah.
0797.
0797, ti'n mi gael gweld hwnna? Fy wombat, ti a dy dim trees. 07... Stop.
Trwy ddod, e?
Ia, Bryn bach. Rhyfedd o fyd.
Cheers!
Cadeiriau.
Good pint today.